Kanan, tell us what you've seen so far.
I see clouds and it's about to rain.
Whoa, these.
Drink some more because I thought there was a rainbow coming in. It started to stop raining and now it's coming back again. I didn't know that would happen. But I guess.
How many times has it begun to rain yet? Has it thunderstormed?
No, I don't know if it's stormed yet.
Has it lightninged and thundered?
I know.
What do you think you'll see later on today?
Some lightning. No power.
Whoa. Wow.
No. And there's going to be lightning, and I guess there's going to be some thunder.
Thank you, Kanan. Thank you. What do you think you'll see tomorrow, though?
Some of this again.
Do you think you'll see?
I think we'll see some rainbows. I think we're going to see some sun and rain. And I think we're going to see some rainbows.
Thank you.
I think we're going to see a double rainbow.
Do you think that you may see really bad storms, or do you think that these clouds will go away and it'll be a beautiful day again?
The clouds are going to get really mad.
So, do you think that these clouds will be more destructive?
Yeah.
Do you think that the winds will be damaging? We'll be right back. What else do you think you'll see besides these Do you think you'll see tornadoes?
No.
Do you think you'll get a tornado warning?
No.
Right now, do you see any circulation?
No. All I see is like some puffy clouds. Puffy.
Thank you. But other places, do you think that they'll see much worse than this?
Yeah.
Like where? Like Atlanta. What do you think Atlanta will see?
Some lightning.
Do you think that this tornado will be really strong or a really weak tornado, like an F1 or 0?
At 0. Because I don't see the funnel. I'm gonna be back.
Thank you. Back to Dr. Kanan Bax. Do you think that you'll see much? That is all the time that he wants. We'll see you next time on Severe Weather.